Hello student, now we are going to start another lecture, Coulomb's law in vector form. We have already discussed Coulomb's law of electrostatic force. Force is a vector quantity, so this Coulomb's law must be expressed in terms of vector form. So how to express this Coulomb's law in vector form? Let's consider 2-point charges Q1 and Q2. These 2-point charges are separated by a small distance r. Because nature of these two charges are positive, therefore according to fundamental law of electrostatics, these two charges will repel each other. So there will be a force of repulsion on this charge due to Q1, which is F21. Similarly, there will be another force acting on Q1 due to Q2, F12. Let's consider R12 cap is a position vector, and direction of this position vector is from Q1 to Q2, and R21 cap is also a unit vector, and direction of this unit vector is from Q2 to Q1. Now write down references of these parameters. So let F12 is a force acting on Q1 due to Q2, and what is F21? This is force acting on Q2 due to Q1, and R12 cap is a unit vector directed from charge Q1 to Q2, and this R21 cap is also a unit vector directed from Q2 to Q1. So according to Coulomb's law, force acting on Q1 due to Q2 F12. According to Coulomb's law, this expression will be equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 upon R square. But this F12 is a vector quantity, so just put an arrow. But right hand side you must apply a vector quantity, and direction of that vector quantity must be same as F12. So just look at this diagram. Direction of this F12 is from Q2 to Q1, and out of these two vectors, which unit vector have the same direction as F12? This one. So just multiply by this vector, R21 cap, equation number 1. Similarly, F21, what is this F21? This one is a force acting on charge Q2 due to Q1. So this will be equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 upon R square. Just put an arrow F21, and from that figure tell me the which unit vector have the same direction as F21. F21 direction of this force is from Q1 to Q2, and out of these two only this R12 cap possesses same direction. So just multiply by this unit vector R12 cap. Equation number 2. Now look at this diagram. R12, what is this? Unit vector. R21 cap, this is also a unit vector. So just look at this diagram. R12 and R21 cap both are same, but these two are just opposite to each other. So this can be written as R12 cap is equal to R21 cap. Because why these two are equal? Because these are unit vector, and unit vectors are those vector which have magnitude 1, but direction of these two are just opposite to each other. So just put a negative sign here. Now from equation number 1, this F12 is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 upon R square R21 cap. So F12 is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 upon R square, and this R21 cap can be replaced by R12 cap with a negative sign. F12 is equal to minus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R square R12 cap. So this quantity which is written here in a bracket is nothing but equation number 2. So this can be written as F12 vector is equal to minus F21 vector, and this mathematical expression is nothing but Newton's third law. So now what is the significance of this mathematical expression? F12 is a force acting on charge Q1 due to Q2, and F21 is a force acting on charge Q2 due to Q1. So this indicates that force exerted on Q1 due to Q2 is exactly equal to force acting on charge Q2 due to Q1. Means to every action there will be equal and opposite reaction.